In this video, we'll learn more about whole genome sequencing. What is the test? What are its benefits and risks? And how will the test help you? Overview of whole genome sequencing. Whole genome sequencing is a kind of genetic test that can find changes in someone's genes. DNA, which is your genetic code, is written by an alphabet of 4 letters. You can think of each variant as a word, and whole genome sequencing checks these words for changes in their spelling. Like a scanner scanning for spelling changes. The changes are also called variants or mutations. Every person has thousands of these variants in their genes. That's what makes us different. And most variants do not cause disease or illness. But sometimes, changes can happen in crucial parts of a gene, which can affect how the gene functions. This test aims to identify the variants that could be causing illness, and may help to explain a person's symptoms, birth defects, or other test findings. How whole genome sequencing works. Whole genome sequencing reads a person's entire DNA. You can do this test using blood, saliva, cheek cells, or samples we already have. Sometimes we invite family members, such as parents or siblings, to participate in the test. To assist the team in understanding which variants are familial traits and which variants could be important for health. Types of results. You can expect 3 types of results from this test. Positive. This result means that the test found a variant and identified a cause for a person's symptoms related to a medical condition. In most cases, it provides a possible diagnosis. Negative. This result means that the test did not find a genetic cause for the person's symptoms or conditions. A negative test doesn't mean that the condition is not genetic. It just highlights that the test has limits. Variant of uncertain significance. This result means that the result identified a change that we're not sure how it impacts health. Over time, we might learn more and upgrade or downgrade it. Secondary findings. In some instances, the results of genetic testing may reveal an important genetic change that's unrelated to the reason for doing the test. The American College of Medical Genetics has recommended a list of secondary findings that experts consider medically actionable changes. Examples include risks for genetic conditions, such as developing heart disease or cancer. Opting for this category can provide valuable insights into potential health risks, aiding in preventative care. However, it may also lead to unexpected results, causing emotional distress and the need for further medical evaluation. Keep in mind, only 3 to 5 people out of every 100 who undergo the genetic test have findings in this category. You have 2 options regarding receiving the secondary findings. You can opt out, which means the secondary findings will not be shared with you. You can opt in, which means the secondary findings will be shared with you. Your decision will not impact the primary reason why the test is done. Things to consider. Psychological impact. The results of genetic testing can psychologically impact individuals and their families. This is especially true if the results reveal a genetic condition that's serious, life-threatening, or unexpected. Insurance considerations. There's federal protection in place regarding an individual's genomic information that people should be aware of. Genetic Information Non-Discrimination Act protects against discrimination in employment and healthcare based on genetic information. Specifically, health insurers cannot use genetic information to determine insurance eligibility or coverage. There are some limitations to GINA. Its protections do not cover long-term care insurance, life insurance, or disability insurance. You can learn more here. Non-paternity or unexpected paternity. Genetic testing, like genome sequencing, may reveal unexpected paternity or non-paternity in some rare cases. Genome sequencing is a powerful tool that can provide valuable information about a person's genetic makeup. Results could potentially help explain symptoms, help make a diagnosis, and help the healthcare team better take care of your child or patient. If you have any questions, talk to your doctor about the risks and benefits to make an informed decision for your family and health.